So we're going to look at the modification to the Vauxhall Corsa F20 gearbox now. It's a conversion to fit a cable gear selector to hopefully improve the selection problems we've had. Firstly, let's look under the bonnet, where you can see the turret, and the turret is taken from a Vauxhall Vectra C 1.8 Ecotech. I had to do a few modifications, if we can get right down in there, because the F20 mounts differently. I've had to add a piece to the bracket and drill a couple of holes in one of the webs of the gearbox just to mount that and make it more secure. Well, hopefully that should be okay, seems solid enough. So inside the car, and a few things to deal with. You can see that we've raised the whole assembly up on a metal box about 5 inches, and that's allowed us to route the cables up a little bit, and it's also allowed us to shorten the gear stick quite considerably by about 3 to 3.5 inches, I would say. You can see this is the Corsa reverse mechanism. What I've done is cut this section in half, and I've taken a slice out there about 1 inch, which I've cut out, araldited these two parts back together, which means that the mechanism still works with my shiny gear change. And we've cut down the stick, tapped it M12 to take this, so now you can see that works okay. Now the other problem was the actual throw of the gear stick was quite a long way back, so in actual fact that was first, neutral was here, and your second and fourth gears were way back here, and I've managed to correct that by making a small bracket just down there, so instead of the cable picking up here as this one does, it just has moved forward slightly, and that has brought the gear stick into a much nicer position. You can see the throw isn't too bad now, it's quite nice. So we'll start it up and see how it does. Okay, so we're in the driver's seat. Take a look from over here, quite a nice height. Hopefully you can see that clearly. First, second, third, fourth and fifth.